So I received these juggling balls. I received these and compensation in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. They come in this little bag. So that's great for carrying them around, transporting them. They are a little bit smaller than a tennis ball. Here they are up close. They have a good design to them. I think the design is a lot of fun, more than just a standard solid color all the way around. Gives it some texture. They are soft and comfortable. They have a little bit of give to them. You can hear that they're filled with like some kind of crunchy material, similar to hacky sacks, and yet they are firm. They're easy to grab onto and hold. So yeah, I like the design. They feel good. They are machine washable, so if they get dirty, you can throw them in the wash. I'm gonna take these outside and see if I can juggle with them. Now, I'm definitely a beginner when it comes to juggling. I can sometimes get 3 or 4 passes. I am definitely not a professional, but these balls do make it easier to attempt. The balls themselves don't get in the way of me trying and sometimes failing, but having a lot of fun with them. So yeah, I think these are great for juggling, great for beginners and professionals alike. Yeah, I recommend them. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.